the big development coming in from the center, which is definitely going to be a positive move for the steel sector, for the auto sector, clearly says that all the Indian vehicles which have completed the age of 15 years will be scrapped. The Road Transport Ministry has issued the draft notification which mentions that the vehicles registered with the state government or with the central government or even with the municipal corporation, and if those vehicles have completed the age of 15 years, the registration renewal will not be done, and this will come into effect from 1st of April 2023. Now with this, government aims to remove the polluting vehicles or the unfit vehicles from the road, and this will definitely provide a big boost to auto sector as well as the steel sector, as there will be availability of steel or the raw material. Now if you see the larger intention, the vehicle scrappage policy which came into effect from April this year aims to remove the unfit and the polluting vehicles from the road. This policy suggests that for the commercial vehicles the age will be 15 years, but for private vehicles the age will be 20 years. After the 20 years of age, the private vehicles will go for a fitness test, and if it fails to that particular fitness test, then the registration renewal will not be done. So through the scrappage policy, government wants to promote circular economy as well. And for the personal vehicle, government has clearly laid down that if any personal vehicle which goes for scrappage as per the policy will be provided a tax rebate, a 25% tax rebate on the road tax. So through this mechanism, government wants to promote scrappage policy, build up new scrappage units, at least one in each district, and that will promote circular economy as well.